I'm Anjasi Mehta and I recently completed the Python course at CTAC. Being from a non-technical background, I was in a dilemma whether to take up programming or not. But right from the very first class, the demo class with Palak ma'am, I was intrigued and fascinated by the world of Python. Palak ma'am teaches Python in a very methodical and practical way, which makes it easier even for a fresher like me to grasp upon the concepts. The clarity of thoughts that she ensures with the repetitive in-class discussions and practical coding was unmatchable in terms of learning. The timely completion of exercises after learning a concept and the timely exams that were taken by Paras sir really made it easier for us to grasp the concepts and learn very effectively. The learning environment that CTAC provides is extremely essential for a growth of an individual. The positivity, growth and learning environment is unmatchable to any that I've been to any of the classes that I've been to. I recently got placed at BlackRock as an analyst, which wouldn't have been possible without the skills that I've learned here at CTAC. The data analysis skills helped me broaden my horizons of handling big data, and also the clarity of concepts and the practical applications that were taught over here helped me land a job at BlackRock. CTAC ensures that the Python course is designed and taught in such a way that it fits the requirements that an MNC looks for in a candidate. I am extremely grateful to both Palak ma'am and Paras sir for providing us an environment of learning and growth, in not only in terms of technical skills but also in terms of real life applications. Moreover, CTAC ensures that their students are not only better professionals and coders but also better human beings. So I'm extremely thankful to the entire CTAC team for providing endless life lessons and making us better individuals.